Hi, welcome to Speedy Gonzalez. Just moving away from the Polo for a while. We'll get back to that in the next couple of videos. But I thought I'd share you my next project that has just been delivered by Copart today. It's a 2018 A6 SE Executive in all black. As you can see around, it's had a front end collision. It's had a front end collision which has been categorized by the insurance company as a category N. So thankfully, there will not be no structural damage. I'll show you around the rest of the car. So it benefits from alloy wheels, full leather interior. It's got the twin exhaust, and when I seen the vehicle previously, the interior looks absolutely immaculate. The vehicle's only done around 25,000 miles. So as you can see, unfortunately, I did try turning the ignition on, but battery is completely flat. So coming back to the front end, it will need a full front end, including the. Let's have a look. It will need the full front end, such as both wings. As you can see, this wing's completely, this completely is dented in, and this wing is literally completely gone. So from the front, you can see the slam panel has gone in. No, sorry, so you can tell the reinforcer has gone in. It's been dented in from here. So as you can see, it's the AC condenser, and the rad pack has completely caved in. So you can see it's a bit cracked. The fan's completely cracked. I don't know if you can see from here, it's been caved in. So you can see the rad pack, the radiator here, and it's all literally in. So yeah, it will need two wings, both wings. It need the bonnet, as the bonnet has been pushed in. You need the driver's side headlight. You need the front bumper. It will need, what else will it need? And I'm sure there's plenty of other things that I'm missing off. Until I start stripping it, that's when I'll find out. I also forgot to mention that there is a dent on this side. So it's quite big. It seems like when someone's tried opening the door, it's been cutting against the wing. So as you can see, when I try to open the door, it just cut. So it won't allow me to open the door. So yeah, the roof will need respraying because there's some deep scratches on the roof. It needs a good wash. It's been scratched, as you can see from there. The back bumper does need respraying as well, as there's quite a few scuffs on there. The scratch is going all the way along, so you'll be able to see it. So this whole side will need a respray, as so look how deep they are. And the whole roof will need a good respray, like I've already mentioned. The doors, and exactly the same thing with this. The screen's got a big scratch going along it, so that may need replacing as well. It's going to be a while until we get going on this project, but hopefully not long. Thanks for taking the time out to appreciate what I can show you. I'd appreciate if you could like, comment and subscribe, and I'll show you in next videos when I will be going back to the VW Polo.